Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today's piece is a commission piece and I'm using some colours that I don't tend to use. So when I get a commission piece, I plan out the kind of design that I'm looking for, I discuss with the client the colour palette and what kind of design they're looking for. Now this client is a close friend of mine, so this is going to be a very special piece to me. And the colour palette itself, so this is what I do. When I'm planning, I just kind of paint out the colour palette and have a look if the colours go together. So I'm using a metallic silver. I'm also using like a flesh ochre colour, a buff titanium, a white and a little bit of black just to add some contrast and some depth. So what I'm thinking is I'm using quite a large canvas. I'm using an A1 size here in the UK. I'm not sure if that size is universal. I'm going to do a bit of a chaos in the middle and then blow out the sides. But what I'll do is I'll take you down on the canvas and explain my thinking. So let's see what we can create. Okay, so my canvas, A1 size. As you can see, it's a fairly large canvas. You are a bit further away from me, so I hope you can hear me okay. But it kind of gives you more of a view on top of the canvas. So as you can see, I've painted my sides and I've also kind of marked out on the canvas each side where I want to kind of make sure I've got my panels and my chaos. So my thinking is I'm going to have my chaos in the middle. And when I say chaos, it's just layering all the paints in a random motion and blowing them over the top of each other, a bit like a chaos dutchpour. And then on each side I'm going to have a block panel colour, and I've chosen to have buff titanium. So I'm going to have buff titanium here, buff titanium here. The chaos is here. So once all that's laid out, I'm going to then blow some of the chaos over the buff titanium. So you're almost going to have a block of colour each end and then the chaos in the middle. But what I've got to remember is the client is going to hang this portrait. So I'm designing it in a landscape way, but they're actually going to have it portrait. So you'll probably see me when I'm doing this. Just keep stepping to the side and having a look, because it's really important that when I stand one side that it's balanced, and that's when I'm going to be looking at the composition. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to layer the ends first, blow those out, and then do the chaos in the middle. Okay, so that is the sides, each side done. So what I now need to do is I'm going to just quickly tidy up these sides. Corner needs it. Just taking the drips off the edge, and I will do some of the buff titanium in the middle as well. So make it nice and messy. Hope I've mixed enough up. Okay, here we go. Just take you in slowly. There we go. I love some of the cell reactions just around here. And adding that black really helped with the contrast and the movement of this piece. And as I said to you, when I'm designing it, I was designing it on a landscape angle, but I did have to keep going portrait just so I could see how it looked. There we go. I really love it. I really hope my friend, the client who has commissioned me to do this piece, also loves it too. Fingers crossed, guys. This is just paint and water. Let's hope it dries without any cracking, and I'll show you the dried version. And here we go. This is the dried version. So I'm really happy with it, and the client, my friend who's commissioned me to do this, absolutely loves it. So win-win. Thanks guys for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.